Hello all, in this module we will study about the production possibility curve. As we all know, central problems arises due to scarcity of resources and resources having alternative uses. जो resources available हैं वो scarce है nature में and they are having the alternative uses and human wants are unlimited. For studying production possibility curve, we are here supposing an economy which are having the fixed resources and technology. By using its fixed resources and technology, an economy is supposing to produce two goods. Two goods are producing by the economy. Let it be good X and good Y. As we are supposing here that economy is using its all the resources and the given technology in producing the good X and good Y, only two goods. Clear? Then if economy want to produce more of good X, more of good Y, then economy has to reduce the production of good X because resources are fixed and technology is constant here. So here we will make a schedule. We can show the different This schedule is showing the different combination of two goods which an economy is ready to produce by using its given resources and given technology. So here different combinations of two goods are given here. Suppose economy is producing these combinations. So here it is clear, if the economy uses all its resources to produce only good Y, then the combination of two goods will be maximum of 15 units and economy can be produced and 0 unit of good X, no unit of good X. It means maximum of 15, no good of X can be produced by the economy by using its given resources and the fixed technology. On the other hand, if all the resources in that economy is used to produce only good X, then the combination of the two goods which the maximum of the 5 units, F combination पे हम देखेंगे 5 units एक economy can be produced by using its all the resources and given technology and no good of Y. 0 is here, it shows no good of Y, all the resources are using to produce good X and maximum units it can produce is 5. So here are so many combinations you can see here and these combinations are the possible for an economy that can be produced the different resources by using the different resources. ये combinations हमारे सामने हैं. These can be used by an economy. In between these, first A combination and F combination. In between there are various possibilities. These are the various possibilities with the different combination of good X and good Y. You can see here that an economy can be produced by using its given resources and given technology. When economy is producing 1 unit of good X, it can be produced 14 units of good Y. As good production of good Y continuously increases, you can see here that production of good Y continuously decreases. It is due to the scarce resources and due to the constant technology. This is the PPC schedule. It is called the PPC schedule. PPC schedule is showing all the combinations of the possible combinations of the two goods that can be produced in an economy with the full and efficient use of its fixed resources and given technology. When we draw these combinations, ये जो possible combinations है एक economy के, when we draw these on a graph, we will get a curve. So we are showing all those combinations on this curve. Good X we are taking on the X axis, and on the Y axis, this is the Y axis, here we are taking the good Y. So by using the graph we will show the प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. गुड एक्स अभी हमारा जो हमने इससे प्रीवियस जो डेटा थे अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट गुड एक्स आई हैव रिटन एंड स्केल यहाँ पर हम क्योंकि वो 15 तक थे हमारे डेटा, तो वी आई एम टेकिंग द स्केल 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. When I make a curve, when zero production of X, we have seen the maximum of Y units at combination A, an economy can be produced. Similarly, when economy has to produce one unit of the good X, then it is producing the 14 units of the good Y. When good X 2 units are producing by the economy, then 12 units of good Y at 3. when good X की 3 यूनिट्स इकोनॉमी प्रोड्यूस कर रही है तो Y की 9 यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस की जा रही है. सिमिलरली when 4 यूनिट्स ऑफ गुड X is producing by the economy, then economy is producing the 5 units of good Y. And when 5 units of good X, it means here economy is producing no units of the good Y. तो ये हमारे कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं जो हमने अभी पहले पीपीसी शेड्यूल में लिए थे. वही सारे कॉम्बिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमने यहाँ पर पॉइंट्स लगा लिए. व्हेन वी जॉइन all the points we will get a curve. This curve is called prediction possibility curve or the prediction possibility frontier. This curve is showing all the possible combinations of the two goods, good X and good Y, which is producing by an economy and by using its given resources and given technology. We are taking here only two goods that an economy is producing for the simplicity, or we can say the easy understanding of the concept. So this is the production possibility curve, or we can call it PPC in short. So PPC is the graphical representation of possible combinations of two goods that can be produced by an economy with the given resources and given technology. So it is showing the PPC is showing the maximum capacity of an economy by using fully and efficient use of the resources. So this is the maximum capacity or maximum production level of an economy, maximum production capacity. Here we are now studying about the attainable and unattainable combinations. So attainable combinations, when we talk about the attainable combinations, those are all those combinations which on which an economy can be operate. Means वो सारे combinations like A, B, C, D, E, F, जितने भी कॉम्बिनेशंस इस पीपीसी कर्व पे है, एंड एनी कॉम्बिनेशन इनसाइड द पीपीसी. फॉर एग्जांपल जी, आई एम टेकिंग हियर जी, और एनी अदर कॉम्बिनेशन एच, कोई भी पॉइंट हम इनसाइड द पीपीसी मिलेंगे, दे ऑल आर कॉल्ड अटेनेबल कॉम्बिनेशंस बिकॉज हियर इकोनॉमी ऑन दीज इनसाइड द पीपीसी जितने भी कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, they are showing the actual production of the economy, actual production capacity of the economy. And if there is the unemployment in the economy, or we can say wastage of the resources, or resources are not fully utilized in the economy, then economy will operate at any point inside the PPC curve. And if any point on the PPC पर अगर कोई भी पॉइंट है, then they are showing the all those combinations where economy is using its resources at optimum level or maximum capacity of production of an economy. इस PPC कर्व पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं, जितने भी कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, वो सब एक इकोनॉमी की मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी को बता रहे हैं. तो इनसाइड द पीपीसी या ऑन द पीपीसी जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं, ऑल आर द अटेनेबल पॉइंट्स, इकोनॉमी कैन बी ऑपरेट ऑन दीज पॉइंट्स. तो ए बी सी डी ई एफ एंड एच एंड जी, all these are the points which are attainable combination for an economy. Now we are talking about the unattainable combinations. ऐसे कौन से combinations है जो एक इकोनॉमी के लिए अनअटेनेबल है, एक इकोनॉमी अटेंड नहीं कर सकती है जिनको, वो सारे वो combinations हैं जो कि इकोनॉमी के लिए beyond the limit है. PPC is showing the limit of the economy, maximum capacity of the economy. If any point, any combination is outside the PPC, for example I am taking here any combination M, एक point मैंने यहाँ लगाया M, एक यहाँ लगाया दिया मैंने N. तो these N and M are the points which are beyond the PPC curve. With the given amount of available resources, it is impossible for the economy that it will operate at any combination which is beyond the or outside the PPC curve, because resources are scarce and the limited resources are there, as well as technology is constant. So economy cannot operate on these points which are outside the PPC. So M and N are unattainable combinations for the economy.